Opening Meta AI app in Android mobile. Something went wrong. Tap to retry. Something went wrong. Error occurs. Solution: go to date and time settings. Turn on set time automatically. Now error fixed. Solution 2: do app reset. Go to settings. Then apps. Search for Meta AI app. Go to storage and cache. Clear cache. Solution 3: clear storage or clear apps data. This apps data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Solution 4: disable Wi-Fi and try using the app with mobile data or vice versa. Solution 5: update the app in Play Store. Subscribe.